Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Velar channel. Today I'll show you how to recover your account in Mobile Legends, recover your old account. To do this, tap your profile in the top left, tap account center, tap return account, restore account. Yes, the screen doesn't rotate here. Now tap on I need help. Tap on the link and fill the form. Right, so we'll fill out the account recovery form. Here we can enter either the ID or the name. I'm going with the ID. The server and ID are in your account. Enter the ID here and enter the server. If you remember it, if not, then just use the nickname. Yes, tap nickname, select a nickname. I'm entering what I had. Tap confirm. Complete the CAPTCHA. Now choose which account is yours from these. Yeah, for example, this one. Select the problem. There. Then describe the problem. Well, fill out the form with when this issue started. You'll also need to answer questions like which heroes you played, which ones you used, what heroes you had, and so on. After that, they'll restore your account. That's it. This was Velar. Bye, everyone.